So I was at the Home Depot today and I was looking around and found this. It's Swiss Tech First and Keyring products, Microtech 6-in-1 multi-tool, and you can see there it locks securely onto your keyring. It's got pliers, wire cutters, wire strippers, sheet shears, a number 2 flat screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and an 1/8 of an inch rule. Just a little curio thing I found and decided to purchase it. We'll take a look at it, see what you know, how good is it. It's got a little instruction manual here. The size is 1 3/4 inch. And an inch. Little step rule. Here's the flathead. Flathead screwdriver. Here you have your pliers. And here's the wire stripper right in there. Now I've got a lot of keys, and we're gonna try to organize that a little bit better. Let's see how it looks and feels with the whatchamacallit, that new keyring, or that new multi-tool. Sorry, that new multi-tool keyring. Let's see about this here. So let's just take it, just bring that close to you. Locks, and then pull down both screwdrivers. I mean, obviously I have an excessive amount of keys, but there it is. And when you're out and about and you have a need for screwdrivers or pliers for that matter, you just pull them out and you're good to go. You could do your job, whatever it is. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing to Escagedo Woodworking. We have make videos, furniture, DIY, and so on. So leave a message and let us know what you think. Do you like the tool? Do you like it? What do you think? Would it be useful for you? I think it's pretty cool, but we'll test it out and see. I think it's going to be on my keychain for a while.